Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to cancel your PS Plus subscriptions in PS5 console. So you can do it in two ways, okay? One thing, you can do it in PlayStation Store. Okay, tap PlayStation Store and then go to more options on the right side. So just come down, yes, right side. Here we need to choose subscriptions, okay? Scroll down and subscriptions. Tap this PlayStation Plus and here you can see this options cancel subscription. So when you click this cancel subscription, right, automatically your PS Plus subscriptions will be cancelled. If you want to change the plan, right, that also you can change it. Right now I am in Essential. If you want to change to extra DX, I can change it. But you need to pay extra amount. So right now in this video purpose is to cancel subscriptions. So I'm going to tap this cancel subscriptions first. And then again I need to tap this cancel subscription. And another way, you can do it on settings also. So in settings, we need to go to user and accounts. So there is two options, right? This is the second option. So you need to tap this payment and subscriptions and then come down to tap subscriptions. And again, we need to tap this PlayStation Plus. And here also you can see this cancel subscriptions. Also, you can see this payment date and all. So again, tap cancel subscriptions. And now we need to give confirm cancellation. So once we give the confirm cancellation, right, automatically we'll be getting an email confirmations for cancellation confirmation. So tap confirmation. So tap confirmation cancellation and then choose your answer, other or something and continue. That's it, friends. Now you can see my subscriptions will cancel on so and so date. So if you want to reactivate your subscriptions, that also you can do it. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.